What if your phone could do twice as much with the right accessories? From dying batteries to messy cables, we've all been there. In this video, I'm showing smartphone accessories that solve real problems and upgrade your daily tech life. If something catches your eye, grab it through the links in the description.
Some of the most fascinating photos in the world are taken with phones. But here's the catch. Most smartphone cameras struggle when you want dramatic wide shots or microscopic detail. That's where the Zinvo Pro Lens Kit quietly changes the game. First, the real problem. Your phone camera is powerful, but it's limited. Landscapes feel cramped, tiny details vanish, close-ups blur. Now the shift. The Zinvo Pro Lens Kit adds a 0.45x TrueView wide-angle lens that captures about 45% more of the scene, making travel shots and group photos feel cinematic. Then there's the Claris 15x macro lens, revealing textures and details your naked camera simply can't capture. Another thoughtful touch, the Glow Clip LED light. It brightens subjects in darker environments, solving the harsh lighting problem many phone photographers face. Who should buy it? Content creators, travelers, and social media storytellers. The downside, macro shooting requires very close focusing, which takes practice. Compared with basic clip-on lenses, this kit feels more refined and complete. For anyone wanting richer mobile photography without carrying a bulky camera, the Zinvo Pro Lens Kit feels like unlocking a hidden layer inside your phone.
Sometimes the hardest part of filming with a phone isn't the camera, it's figuring out where to put the phone. That small frustration is exactly where the Omoton TP02 Pro magnetic phone holder steps in. Let's talk about the problem first. Recording workouts, desk tutorials, or quick social media clips often turns into a balancing act. Phones slide, fall, or require bulky tripods. Now the shift. The Omoton TP02 Pro magnetic phone holder uses strong N52 magnets that snap your phone into place instantly, creating a stable, hands-free setup. It also offers 360-degree rotation and multi-axis adjustment, so framing a vertical reel or a horizontal video takes seconds. Another useful detail, its aluminum alloy body and compact foldable design makes it easy to carry in a bag or pocket when shooting on the go. Who should consider it? Content creators, remote workers, and anyone filming short-form videos. The downside, if your phone isn't MagSafe compatible, you'll need to attach the included magnetic ring. Compared with standard clamp-style phone mounts, the experience feels faster and cleaner. And sometimes, the simplest gear quietly makes filming feel effortless.
Battery anxiety is real. 1 minute your phone is alive, the next it's begging for 5%. That tiny moment of panic is exactly why accessories like the power bank case for Anker Nano Ultra Slim exist. First, the everyday struggle. You carry a slim power bank, but scratches, dust, and loose cables slowly ruin that clean design. Toss it in a backpack, and suddenly your charger feels unprotected. Here's the practical fix. A power bank case for Anker Nano Ultra Slim wraps around the charger and shields it from daily wear while keeping the ultra-compact profile intact. The Anker Nano itself is incredibly thin, around 0.34 inches and only 122 grams, designed to slide easily into pockets or small bags. That's why a protective case matters. It keeps the 5,000 mAh magnetic power bank safe while you commute, travel, or film content on the go. Who should consider it? Travelers, students, creators who rely on portable charging. The downside? A case adds slight bulk. Compared with generic pouch covers, a dedicated Anker Nano Ultra Slim power bank case fits tighter and feels purpose-built. Sometimes the smallest accessory quietly protects the gadget that saves your day.
A single enemy in mobile gaming can ruin everything. Heat. The moment your phone overheats, frame rates drop, finger sweat, and the experience collapses. That's exactly the problem the Black Shark FunCooler 5 was built to tackle. First, the real frustration. Long gaming sessions or heavy video recording push smartphones to their thermal limits, performance slows, the device becomes uncomfortable to hold. Now, the solution. The Black Shark FunCooler 5 uses Peltier semiconductor cooling with up to 20 watts of power, capable of dropping device temperature by roughly 95 degrees Fahrenheit, about 35 degrees Celsius during intense use. Next comes practicality. A 12N magnetic attachment snaps the cooler onto compatible phones instantly, while the lightweight 78-gram design keeps your grip natural during gameplay. Two modes guide the experience. Silent mode keeps noise around 30 decibels, while overclock mode prioritizes maximum cooling. Who should consider it? Mobile gamers, streamers, anyone pushing their phone for long sessions. A small downside, this cooler requires external power to run. Compared with simple clip fan coolers, the Black Shark Fun Cooler 5 delivers deeper thermal control. And sometimes, staying cool is the difference between losing the match and finishing it strong.
Losing your keys isn't just annoying. It can steal 10 minutes of your morning and a lot of patience. That everyday chaos is exactly why an AirTag for Android exists. First, the problem. Android users watched iPhone owners track lost items effortlessly. Meanwhile, keys, wallets, and backpacks still disappeared into couch cushions or car seats. Now, the shift. An AirTag for Android works as a small Bluetooth tracker that connects to apps like Google's Find My Device network, allowing nearby Android phones to help locate your lost belongings. Here's how it helps in real life. Attach the tag to your keys, slip it into a bag. If the item disappears, the app can show its last known location or trigger a loud alert to help you find it nearby. Some trackers even include a replaceable battery lasting about a year and a keyring designed for easy attachment. Who benefits most? Travelers, students, and anyone tired of last-minute item hunts. A downside, tracking networks on Android are still growing, so updates may sometimes take longer. Still, for people who value peace of mind, an AirTag for Android quietly turns everyday panic into a quick search and a small sigh of relief.
That's it for today's Gadget Spotlight. If the AirTag for Android sounds like something that could save you time and frustration, you'll find the link waiting in the description below. Bluetooth trackers like these work with networks such as Google's Find My Device, helping locate lost items through nearby Android phones. If you enjoy discovering this smart tech, hit subscribe and stay tuned because the next gadget might solve a problem you deal with every day.